In this video, I will be showing you how to install Discord on a PC or laptop. If this video does help you out today, then please consider leaving a like and possibly subscribing to the channel. As always, I really do appreciate the support. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So to do this, it's actually relatively simple and it's a fast process, easy to do. What you want to do is open up a new internet browser and you want to come across to discordapp.com. So what's going to happen, you're going to come to a page which looks like this, and as you can see you have got two options. So Discord, it is available as a browser-based version, but for the best possible experience I would highly recommend downloading the application. So what you'll need to do is click onto this download button here where it says download for Windows, and you'll see that's going to start downloading down there in the bottom left hand corner. If you do have a different, so if you have like a MacBook for example, what you can do, if you come to this download button at the top here and give that a click, and then you can scroll down and you can see all the different devices. So for example for Mac you've got the download there. If you wanted to download it for Android, then you click this button, or if you've got like an iPhone, iOS, you would just click the appropriate button there. But once that's downloaded, what you want to do is open that up to run the install wizard. So we're just going to go ahead and run through that now. And obviously just go ahead and click run. So once that's finished installing, you'll see it's just going to run through and download and install any updates required for Discord. So it does do that automatically after installing. And you'll see it's now going to just take a second or two to get everything up and running and start up the Discord app. And what's going to happen, that's going to take you to a screen which looks like this after it's all finished installing updates and it's loaded up. And all you need to do if you have an existing Discord account is just input your details here and click onto login. If you do need an account and you are new to Discord, if you look underneath it says here need an account, register. All you want to do is click the blue register button, and then you can go ahead and set up an account here. So that's how you do it, and as I say, if this did help you out today, then please drop a comment below saying this did help you out. As I said, I do really appreciate the support, and I will see you in the next one.